Hard to believe this was once beautiful.
There she is, hiding in plain sight.
This place hasn't been touched in decades.
This is going to be a serious challenge.
This engine hasn't turned in decades.
We'll winch it out slowly. No sudden moves.
Whoa. These wheels are buried deep.
Easy, don't snap the hinge.
She's moving, keep it steady. One. Oh. That sunlight hits different.
Straight, straight, stop. Ah!
This thing is still standing.
This is the roughest one we've had.
Let's see what we're really working with.
Frame's weak, but not beyond saving.
Rain. Support the glass, easy.
Bag and tag, everything. Bag and tag, everything.
Oh my God, it's heavy. Watch the edges, they're sharp. This frame took a beating. Woo! Boy, there's good metal under there.
Cut it clean, let's rebuild it right.
There's good metal under there.
That line needs to be perfect.
That block is coming out now. These cylinders are completely shot. Look at those rusty pistons. Gaskets are totally cracked. We have to replace them.
That's the cleanest it's been in 70 years. Wow, look at the shine on it.
Clearances are finally in spec.
That bottom end is solid now. Gap looks good, tighten it.
She's ready for color now.
That color looks incredible. This thing's gonna ride smooth.
She's finally getting her jewelry back. Easy. Mounts lined up, drop it.
New shocks are looking good on it. Done.
She's standing proud now.
Feels like 1954 again. Listen to that. She's alive again.
From scrap to masterpiece.
She drives better than new.
Some classics never die. They're reborn.